Hello friends, welcome to Algoics Knowledge. We will solve first two layers of Rubik's Cube. So let's create a cross at top layer here. Let us place white and blue piece first. Let's match blue with blue facing here. So for that we will rotate top layer in anti-clockwise direction 2 times like this. And then let's match blue with blue piece and then front in the anti-clockwise direction again. Now as you can see, blue and white is placed perfectly, and also white and orange. Let's take this piece. White and red already matches with red facing, so we will just rotate to match with white also. In my case, white and green at the bottom of front is already matches with green color. Let's just bring it to upward direction like this. Now cross is gets created here. Now we will try to arrange corner pieces. This piece, this, this, and this piece. White, green, red piece is present at bottom right. Let's bring middle layer to left direction and then rotate, and let's again bring back the middle layer. In my case, two corner pieces are placed here. Let us try for next corner piece now. Let's bring white blue piece to top right corner. For that, let's rotate first two layers to the right, and again we'll just rotate it to upward direction and again bring back two layers. For last corner piece, let's match orange with orange facing. Now orange is matching with orange here. Let us bring it to top right corner. R dash, D dash, R. Now white orange, white green, white red, and white blue. The first layer is completed here. For a second layer, blue, red, green, and orange. Let's match orange green with orange facing first. So we'll just rotate. Now orange is matched with orange facing and green is at right side. We will rotate D to opposite direction of green. R dash, D, R, and D. Now let's make green at front. L, D dash, L dash. Now green orange is placed perfectly. Let's do it for blue and orange now. To bring blue and orange at this position, D dash, R dash, D, R, D, L, D dash, L dash. Now blue orange and green orange is correctly placed. Let's match blue red with blue facing. Now red is at left side. Now let's bring this piece here. D, L, D dash, L dash. Now let's bring red at front and D dash, R dash, D, R. Blue red piece is placed correctly. Let us search for last piece, that is red and green. Let's match red with red facing. We will try to bring this piece at this position. D, L, D dash, L dash. Now bring green at front. D dash, R dash, D, R. Now first two layers are completed perfectly. Thanks for watching.